What's up, guys? It is Charlie Neely here with GCI Plus Solutions, marketing for realtors. Today, I'm going to run you through how to make your very own Facebook Messenger chatbot in 10 minutes or less, okay? If you don't want to go through building this chatbot in 10 minutes or less, I'm going to give you a link to a template so that you can install this chatbot, and that'll take you about 60 seconds tops, okay? I'm just going to give you a link. You're going to click a button a few times. You're going to click through your ManyChat account, and it's going to automatically install this bot that we're about to run through, okay? So just wait to the end of the video for that. And then, guys, let's jump right into it. So this is one of the first things they're going to see when they come to your Facebook page, right? Hi, how are you doing? Thank you for stopping by. How can we help you with your real estate needs? They got a couple of options here: buy, sell, schedule a call. Let's run through the buy a home option right now. So once they click that button, it automatically starts saying, hey, great, we're here to help you with your home buying journey. Let's see what you're looking for in a home. Are you a first-time home buyer? For this example, let's say that we're, a user who's on your Facebook page. We're a first-time home buyer. So you click the yes button, it automatically goes to the next question, and it automatically saves their response. So how many bedrooms? Let's say 2. And how many bathrooms? Automatically goes to the next question, guys. How cool is that? 2, let's say. And then you guys can change any of these questions that you want, and you can edit any of the answers you want as well. But just know that these questions and their answers are being saved right here in Messenger. And this is on the free plan with ManyChat. So the totally free plan right here, you can only really see this stuff in the Facebook Messenger. But if you upgrade to the Pro plan for $10 a month, and this is also what our GCI Plus system does, it'll take these responses and save them in your CRM or in a Google spreadsheet file. And you can also get text notifications and email notifications once they give you their phone number, which happens at the very end of this, right? So that's pretty cool, right? For $10 a month, you can save all this to a CRM, spreadsheet, and get notifications once they give you their info. But like I said, for now, let's continue with the Pro plan. 2,000 to 3,000 square foot, let's say. And then you can update these. This question is going to ask, what city are you looking to buy in? So Denver, Arvada, Westminster, these are all of the, Colorado areas. That's where I'm from. Let's just say we're in other as an option that they can select. And then what's your budget? You got all these budget options right here. And then it'll ask if they've been pre-approved by a lender for that amount. And if not, you can hook them up with somebody who can help them with that. So let's just say, yeah, we've been pre-approved. And awesome. We'll get a list of homes that match your criteria ready to go. Leave your phone number and or email address below, and we can be in touch shortly. So, they just type in their email address or their phone, example at whatever.com, and boom, and it saves all that right here in the Messenger so that you can go back and check it out. And like I said, with the Pro version, you can send all that automatically to your CRM and get a notification when they give you the phone number. So that's pretty cool, right? You ask all these questions automatically, and then you automatically have these little pre-filled bubbles that they click on to give you a response, and then it saves right there in Messenger. So that's the quick demo, and like I said, if you wait to the end of the video, I'm going to go ahead and give you the link to the template for that. So that's it for the demo, and if you want to go ahead and skip to the end, you can go ahead and get the template, but for right now, I'm going to run you through how to make that little bot right there on your own. So let's jump right into that. All right, guys. So the very first thing you're going to want to do to get your bot either installed or if you want to make it yourself is you're going to want to make a ManyChat account. That's ManyChat.com. Totally free, totally quick to make, and easy to set up. Like I said, the Pro plan is $10 a month, which is totally worth it. But for now, we'll go through the basic version. So this is the dashboard that you're going to be at. This is the very first thing you're going to see. And then we're going to go over here to our tutorial account. That's the account I'm on right now. And the first thing you need to do is go to settings here on the left. There we go. You just go to settings, and greeting text is the very first thing they're going to see. And it's going to basically say, do you want to start this bot? And then click get started below to kick things off. And that's what starts the bot. So it won't be filled in. It'll be filled in with the best bot in the universe to kick to once as a default setting or whatever. So the greeting text will say, hey, first name, add some personalization next to the smiley face right there. You can click first name and it'll automatically use whatever the first name is on Facebook. thanks for stopping by. How can, oh wait, that's for the next message. Thanks for stopping by. Click get started below and we'll help with any real estate needs you have. Something like that, you know. So then you can click see how it looks, and this is the first thing that comes up for anybody on your profile. Thanks for stopping by. Click get started below, and then they click get started, and the very next thing they'll see, click save right there. You're going to want to come down to Messenger here in the settings bar, and the next thing they're going to see is the welcome message. Now I've already got that set up for you on the template, but just to show you what it looks like, you click edit, and then this is the first thing they're going to see, and you can create your own thing here. You can make this say whatever you want to say, but I like to have just a little menu thing come up so they can either buy a home, sell a home, or schedule a call with you. And so now that you know that, that's the basic, really important stuff. Let's go through and create that home buyer bot as an example. So on the left side here, you're going to see all these icons. We're going to go to this little electron looking one right here and go to flows. You'll see we'll create a new flow here. So buyer flow, part of the chatbot. And this is where you create actual chatbots, guys. Okay, so it should look a little something like this. I'm going to refresh the page because sometimes things get a little funky because of the software. As you'll see, there's going to be a little more color and a little more drawing loaded on this one. Once I refresh it, there we go. You got the green and the blue right here. The starting step, you don't really need to worry about that. Just know that that just kind of has to be there. This is the very first thing they're going to see right here, send a message. So we're going to double click on that, and this text is going to say something like, great, we're excited to help with your home buying journey. Home buying journey, right? And so you can do a cool little things down here. These are all the different options you have. I like to add a little 3-second typing delay so it gives a little more of a human feel to the bot. And then you can add more text right there. Just click the text button. First, let's ask some quick questions to find the best home for you, right? And then you're going to want to go right down here where it says next step. Click that little button, and then click somewhere else, and then click send message. Now this is going to go from this message after this right there sends. First, let's ask some quick questions. It goes to the next step, which is going to be this one, which will be our first question. How many bedrooms are you looking for? Right? And so then we're going to use the quick reply button right here for all of the multiple choice questions that we're going to be asking. We're not going to use the buttons. Those work best for like the main menu that we saw earlier, right? So we don't use buttons for the questionnaires. We only use the quick replies. And then you can, do whatever you want. You can say 1 to 2, or you can go 1, 2, 3, 4 individually, which is what we're going to do here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 plus. Once you click on the quick reply buttons, it'll automatically edit the text that's on the button there. And you can kind of ignore all this stuff for now. We can go over that at another time. But as you can see right here, it automatically sends that message right there, automatically goes into the first question, which is pretty cool, right? Now we're going to ask, you can double click anywhere to make a new message. There's how many bathrooms, and then we'll do the same thing here. 1, done, quick reply. 2, done. 3, 4, 5 plus. Right? And then now what we're going to want to do is click these little dots next to all of the answers and drag them up to the next question. If we wanted to, we could make these dots go into their own individual different messages for a really customized bot experience, if you will. But for now, this is a simple questionnaire, so we're just going to have all these questions go into the very next question. You're going to want to leave the next step part of these questions blank, because otherwise the next step is just automatically going to send it into the next question. And that's pretty much the gist of a questionnaire, guys. We'll go ahead and add some more in, but it's just the same process. So how many square feet? And then you can do 1,000, 2,000, 2,000, 3,000. And then we'll just do 3,000, 4,000 plus. And you can do whatever type of answers you want and any whatever type of questions you want. These are just the ones that I've gone through and done on the template that you guys can install. So yeah, you just take the little buttons right here, so that way every time they click them, they will be going into the next message. And then we'll just go ahead and, no, we don't want to do next step, remember. Double click, and then we'll just go ahead and do the end message for the bot, just to kind of speed things along, because you just do that same process for all of the questions that you want to ask, right? So thanks, we'll get your list of homes, or I'll give you a call, whatever you want to say. Leave your name, or no, leave your, because we already have their name, leave your number and your email below. Cool, and then that'll be the end of it. And then one thing I do, if you download the template that you'll be able to see, oops, I did it again, guys. There you go, so you click that right there, and then we'll just go ahead and, if you want to delete one of the things, you just hover over it and click the delete button. Get your email below. And then, so yeah, what was I going to say? One of the things that I like to do is I'll add a delay for 60 seconds, and then you can use this arrow right here to move it up. So I'll add like a 60-second delay, no typing. That way, that gives them enough time to leave their number and their email address. And then you can also say, by the way, are you looking to sell a home as well? And then I can add a button. This is where buttons come in handy when you want this menu type stuff. And then we'll click start another flow. And then that sends them to another flow that I've made, which is already on the bot, called the home seller flow, which asks them questions like, when are you looking to sell? What's your address? Leave your phone number and your email, and I'll get in touch with you with a free market valuation, you know? And then you can just edit the button to say, sell a home. And yeah, guys, that is it. Once you have your bot finished, all that you've got to do is go up here to the upper right-hand corner, and you're going to want to click on publish, and that's going to publish it and make it activated on your Facebook page. And before you do that, you might want to click preview, so it'll automatically send a message to yourself, to the Facebook account that you link to your ManyChat account. It'll send a message to that so you can run through it once. You can try it on your phone as well, because it does a really good job actually of optimizing for like mobile delivery. So that's what I do. I click preview and then open up my phone and I run through it on my phone. And that's just a good way to make sure that everything is running smoothly. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm going to leave a link to the template that you just click a couple of times, automatically going to download the whole thing to your Facebook account and to your ManyChat account. That link's going to be in the description, and just stay tuned for more videos regarding the chatbot, the Facebook ads, and all things digital marketing for realtors. So thanks so much, guys, and y'all have a good one. Bye.